how to turn a portrait video into landscape in CapCut. So if you have a portrait video like this and you want to turn it into a landscape video, the first thing we need to do is go and click on ratio at the bottom of this page, and then you need to select 16:9. Now this is the aspect ratio you need for all horizontal videos. This includes YouTube and basically any landscape format. Now, because this is a portrait video, we now have black edges around the screen. So to fix this, we can do two things. You can either go and select your video clip like this, and then you can just use the edges to go and zoom into the video. You can also reposition this as well. Now, the only thing we're doing this is we're now cutting out a large portion of our video. So sometimes you may not want to use this method. So let me go and undo this. So another thing you can do here is you can go and select your video. You can then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy, and then press Ctrl+V to go and paste this. We're now going to line this up so the top video is in line with the bottom video. You can then select the bottom video clip, and we're going to drag this to make it fit the full width of the page. You then need to click on Effects in the top navigation, use the search box and type in Blur. Once you've found a blur effect, you can go and drag it onto your bottom video like this. And as you can see, it will now use this video as a blurred background. Now, once you've finished, you can go and press Export in the top right hand side. You can then just click the Export button to go and export this as a horizontal video.